Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to share a natural remedy that you can use to get rid of gray hair. Now, gray hair is something that often comes with the aging process. However, there's natural remedies that you can use to slow the graying process down. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. This is not a hair dye. That means it's not going to cover the gray. What it's going to do, it's going to seep into the hair follicles and boost circulation, and with circulation come the slowing down of gray hair. So if you're looking for a natural way to get rid of your gray hair, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. The first ingredient is onion, and I'm using a red onion today. And onion has been used for centuries for treating gray hair. So today I'm going to be using one medium onion, and the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the juice. To extract the juice, you'll need to grate or blend, so I'm going to be grating the onion. Onion juice are more than just a healthy vegetable. They have been shown to help increase hair growth and reverse gray hair when applied to the scalp. Onion juice has been used for hundreds of years to treat thin and graying hair. Onion juice helps by providing nourishment and circulation to the hair follicles. It is also helpful in getting rid of hair loss and also dry scalp. Now, the way the onion works is that onions are high in sulfur, which helps in rejuvenating the hair follicles. They also are beneficial in decreasing inflammation. Now, in spite of the fact that I like using red onion, if you have any other onion, go ahead and use, since all onion do contain sulfur, which is going to help to get rid of the gray hair. So after grating the onion, we are going to be straining, since we do not want any of the onion particles to be logged in the hair. So take a strainer and strain the juice from the onion. Also, if you blend your onion, you should strain it. And here we have some fresh onion juice. And now let's move on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is toothpaste. Now you can choose to use whatever kind of toothpaste you have once it contains peroxide. Now we're using the toothpaste for its peroxide, and when the peroxide is mixed with the sulfur, that is what's going to make this remedy even more effective. Really an amazing combination of ingredients. So we're going to be using about a teaspoon of the toothpaste, and we're going to mix well. This is going to take a while to mix out, so be patient. So keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Now while mixing, you're going to notice something. The color is going to turn to right about light green, medium green, or dark green. Not to worry, that is the peroxide and the sulfur activating together. Alright, so continue to mix until all the toothpaste is completely blended in the onion juice. Now, once the toothpaste is completely melted in the onion juice, we're going to move on to a next ingredient, which is lemon. Now, lemon juice is full of vitamin B, vitamin C, and phosphorus. The vitamins and nutrients in lemon juice nourish the hair and prevent premature gray. Now, naturally, onion juice and lemon is an excellent combination that can reverse graying. When applied on the scalp, the vitamin and minerals found in the solution will cleanse the scalp of sebum buildup. They will also stimulate proper blood flow, restore hair shaft, and rejuvenate new follicles. So we're going to juice about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and fresh lemon juice is best for this recipe. If you do not have lemon, you can substitute with some fresh lime. And now we are going to mix again. Notice the reaction when I pour the lemon juice in. The dark color now turn back to pink, and that is exactly how you want it to be. So you're going to continue to mix, blend well. So completely dissolve all the toothpaste, completely blend the lemon juice and the onion juice together. Now take a note of what is happening while I am mixing. The more I mix is the thicker the remedy has become, and that's exactly how you want the remedy to be. So keep mixing until the remedy is thickened. It should look somewhat like this. Now this as it is will help to get rid of your gray hair. However, if you want to make it much stronger for a more effective result, there's one other ingredient that you can use in this. And take a look at what I have here. Here I have ground coffee. What you need is coffee beans and blend, not instant coffee. So use about 1 tablespoon of the ground coffee and mix it in your onion, lemon, and toothpaste blend. So you're gonna mix and you're gonna mix well. And the more you mix, guys, is the thicker this is gonna be, and that's exactly how you want it. Now the way this works is that it helps to stop premature graying by boosting circulation in the hair follicles. Therefore, this is not a hair dye. What is going to happen when you apply this to the root of your hair? It is going to penetrate deep into the hair follicles, boost the circulation, and stop the hair from turning gray. So you're not going to see instant result when you apply this on your hair. You're going to use this remedy for a few weeks, and then eventually you're going to notice that your hair started to turn black. Now because we have granules in the coffee, we're going to strain a second time. You can also choose to use just some brewed coffee in this instead of the ground coffee. Now after straining, we're going to give this a mix and take a look at this, guys. This is your natural homemade hair remedy for getting rid of gray. Now after mixing this remedy, it's not yet ready to use. For it to be effective, you need to cover it and put it away for at least a day or two to make the ingredient ferment together. Now then it's ready to use. So to use the remedy, you are just going to apply it on your scalp. Use a brush, your fingertip, whatever is convenient to you, and apply this to the scalp. Cover your entire scalp with it, and you're going to leave this on for a couple of hours. You can even choose to apply it to your scalp, tie your hair at night, and sleep with it. Upon the rising in the morning, you wash your hair. You want to use this remedy at least twice per week for best result. Before you know it, your hair will be not only free from gray hair, but it will look more healthier, more thicker, and more shinier. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the remedy, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the remedy and leave your comments if you know of other ingredients that you can use to cover your gray. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.